Hello and welcome to Cloud Scholars. The following are common protocols and their default ports. It is good to know and have a general understanding of default ports. This knowledge will assist with troubleshooting and protecting your servers and applications. Port 20 and 21. Ports 20 and 21 are used for FTP. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. FTP is used to transfer files between computers. FTP, or File Transfer Protocol, does not encrypt data. FTP allows the remote user to navigate the server's file structure and upload and download files. Remember, FTP uses ports 20 and 21. Port 22. Port 22 is used for SSH. SSH stands for Secure Shell Protocol. SSH is used to log into a remote machine via a terminal connection and execute commands. Remember, SSH uses port 22. Port 23. Port 23 is used for TELNET. TELNET stands for Teletype Network. TELNET is an application protocol used on a network to provide a bidirectional, interactive text-oriented communication using a terminal connection. TELNET is also used by other protocols, for example, FTP, for establishing a protocol control channel. Remember, TELNET uses port 23. Port 25. Port 25 is used for SMTP. SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. SMTP is an Internet Standard Communication Protocol used for electronic mail transmission. Mail servers and other message transfer agents use SMTP to send and receive mail messages. Remember, SMTP uses port 25. Port 53. Port 53 is used for DNS. DNS stands for Domain Name System. DNS translates human-readable domain names to IP addresses. Remember, DNS uses port 53. Ports 67 and 68. Ports 67 and 68 are used for DHCP. DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. DHCP is a network management protocol used to dynamically assign an IP address to any device or node on a network. Remember, DHCP uses ports 67 and 68. Port 69. Port 69 is used for TFTP. TFTP stands for Trivial File Transfer Protocol. TFTP is a simple protocol for exchanging files between two TCP IP machines. TFTP is a simplified alternative to FTP that provides no authentication. TFTP is most often used to transfer configurations to and from network devices. Remember, TFTP uses port 69. Port 80. Port 80 is used for HTTP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTP is an application layer protocol used for transmitting hypermedia documents such as HTML. HTTP was designed for communication between web browsers and web servers, but it can also be used for other purposes. Remember, HTTP uses port 80. Port 110. Port 110 is used for POP3. POP3 stands for Post Office Protocol. POP3 is used to access mail from a third-party email client or software. POP3 only supports one-way email synchronization. This means that every device that pulls down an email using POP3 will show that email as new and unread on that device. Remember, POP3 uses port 110. Port 123. Port 123 is used for NTP. NTP stands for Network Time Protocol. Network Time Protocol, or NTP, is an Internet protocol used to synchronize with computer clock time sources in a network. Remember, NTP uses port 123, port 137 and 139. Port 137 and 139 is used for NetBIOS. NetBIOS stands for Network Basic Input-Output System. NetBIOS is a network service that enables applications on different computers to communicate with each other across a local area network. Remember, NetBIOS uses ports 137 and 100, ports 161 and 162. Ports 161 and 162 are used for SNMP. SNMP stands for Simple Network Management Protocol. SNMP is a networking protocol used for the management and monitoring of network-connected devices in Internet Protocol networks. Remember, ports 161 and 162 are used for SNMP. Port 389. Port 389 is used for LDAP. LDAP stands for Lightweight Directory Access Protocol. LDAP is an open and cross-platform protocol used for directory services authentication. Remember, port 389 is port 443. Port 443 is used for HTTPS. HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. HTTPS is an extension of the Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is used for secure communication over a computer network and is widely used on the Internet. In HTTPS, the communication protocol is encrypted using Transport Layer Security, or, formerly, Secure Sockets Layer. Remember, port 443 is used for HTTPS. Port 445. Port 445 is used for SMB. SMB stands for Server Message Block Protocol. The SMB protocol is a client-server communication protocol used for sharing access to files, printers, serial ports, and other resources on a network. Remember, port 445 is used for SMB. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Here at Cloud Scholars, our goal is to give you the knowledge that will allow you to succeed in your career.